My dear students, we got how we are getting the dark and the white fringes, and we got the total proof at which point we are getting dark, at which point we are getting the dark bright. Now it's our duty to get the width. What is the width of that dark fringes? What is the width of that bright fringes? See, this is the P point. As I mentioned earlier, you are getting a pattern like that. Suppose here you are getting dark. Suppose this is your light pattern, dark pattern, then light, then dark, then light, then dark. So, what is the width of this light region? What is the width of this dark region? Now we are going to calculate this one. Same thing, as I had took one source, then due to wavefront we are getting one more wavefront from source S1 and another wavefront from source S2. Same thing as I mentioned in the Young's double slit experiment in the previous lecture. So these are getting superimposed, interfering, we are getting this type of patterns. I had considered the distance between this obstacle. This is an opaque obstacle having two slit, and this is your screen. That may be fluorescent or phosphorescent, whatever be. Screen. Light is falling on the screen. And I drop a perpendicular from source S1 on the screen, that is M, and another perpendicular from source S2 on the screen, that is N, and this is from source S, that is O. This is the distance S1, this is the distance S2P. Same thing, earlier I told X1, X2, this is the path difference, this is your lambda. So now I'll calculate how much is your S1P, how much is your S2P. Same thing, S2P minus S2P. I will subtract from S1P from S2P. Then I will get same thing. Then we have to change something different. This position, at a certain position you are getting this one. At a certain position you are getting this one. If I will subtract that position, this position from this, you will get this width. Like that. This light fringes you are getting at a certain position. I will tell you, I will derive that formula, that expression, and in the next stage here you are getting this. So if I subtract this one, this much is the width. I will calculate now. So S1P, what is S1P? This is the Pythagoras formula. S1P square equal to S1M square and plus PM square, right? PM square, same thing. This is the distance D, so I wrote it D. What is MP? MP is nothing but this is Y I had considered. This much is Y, means this much. This is Y and up to this is D. So what is this much? This is Y minus D. See how it is, guys. So I wrote Y minus D square. So same thing. Now this Y square, I remove the square, so this one will be square root and I wrote a half. Now I took common D. D को वर्तमान मु कॉमन नहीं गली. कॉमन नेला पर बाकी रहला D कॉमन आसी गला. एटी स्क्वायर रही गला as usual. वर्तमान बाइनोमियल एक्सपेंशन यूज होला एटी. ए टर्म रे दिस इज वन टर्म, दिस इज अनदर टर्म. A plus B ro half. How much? It's your duty, students. Go to your plus 2 math if you don't remember and try to remember these things. If you are forgetting also, stick this formula on your wall. Every day watch this formula. You have to remember anyhow. As a physics student, don't think you will get everything conceptual. You have to mug up something. And these are these things. Easy things. By practicing only you can remember these things. Okay, fine. So this is your exponential formula. 1 by 2 y minus d whatever be. And one more thing, guys, you will be thinking that in the exponential, suppose a plus b whole square, a square plus 2a plus b square. Simple 2 is giving you 3 terms. This is half, means you will get n number of terms. Where are the other terms? I cancelled the higher degree term, higher power term. Here power is 2 and the next powers I cancelled. Okay, I kept only this power. So this much is nothing but our S2P. This is our S1P. Okay. This expression is for this S1P. Now we will calculate S2P because I have to subtract S1P from S2P to get the path difference. So what is S2P? Same thing. For H2P, Pn square. Pn square remained as usual. Now H2n square. H2n square, that's the D square. And Np square, this is Y and this much D. That is Y plus D. So up to here, this is Y plus D. See, from here to here. Y plus D, same thing as I mentioned in the above formula, above expression. That same thing I am following here. I took common D, whatever left. Then binomial expression. These are your duty, guys. Go through this. If you are forgetting, then it's your responsibility. See the notes of plus 2 mathematics. You should not forget these things. Okay. I got expression for H1P, means this path, H1 path. So that is coming from source H1, and I got another expression for H2P, that is coming from source H2. H2, that is this one. If I will subtract this one from this one, I will get a path difference. So what is this? H2P, H1P. I wrote this one directly. This is also directly written. I removed this bracket, minus D, minus plus minus, this minus. 1 get cancelled. This is also your responsibility, students, because I am leaving lots of things for you. You should do that. Else I know one day also I was in your position. What I was doing, I will be expecting that you will be doing that. So I won't let you know to do that. I will give some task also, and I will ask also whether you have done or not. So remember, Rokita, mon Rokita pila mane mu tom pacharibi kolo ki nai seta. So I am giving you a hint also. Here y plus d square means simple a plus b whole square. Here also y minus b means a minus b whole square. Simple eta को वर्तमान formula put करो, solve करो, you will reach here. D 1d get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, 2yd divided by d. That means आमे जेतरे फास्ट कैलकुलेट करथिले मैक्सिमा मिनिमा पाई, मैक्सिमा रे कोन पाइथिले आमे लैम्बडा इक्वल टू n लैम्बडा हैला. This is for maxima. Lambda equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. This is for minima. आमे दुईटा पाथ डिफरेंस ऑलरेडी पाई सारिचंती. एठी आउ गोटे पाथ डिफरेंस कैलकुलेट करचंती बाय सब्सट्रैक्टिंग S1P from S2P. वर्तमान हम कंपेयर करिबा this path difference with maxima, this path difference with minima. We will get something, and that will give us the way how we will be directed towards the width measurement. Now see, my dear students, I got this is path difference 2yd. I will link this path difference with the maxima and also with the minima. First let's do for maxima. बर्तमान maxima से deal करिबा हमको जो path difference मिलची. 2yd you have got from this one, that is n lambda. So let's write y equal to n lambda d by 2d. Here we are getting bright fringes. Means at this point, this is y. Now you see why I had taken y, because I had to get an expression in the term of y, and I got this one. आमको ये कहिबो एई फार्मूला अनुसार यार वैल्यू केते हेले आमको y रो वैल्यू केते हबो, so that we will say here or here or here we will get a bright fringes. See carefully, coolly, keep cool your mind and get the point. Very interesting, very easy and very important also. आमको पाथ डिफरेंस मिल पारला एठू मिलला परे हमको ऑलरेडी मैक्सिमा मिलिजी, मिनिमा मिलिजी. वर्तमान मैक्सिमा सहित याकू लिंक करबी मु. याकू लिंक करले मोर ए जो स्क्रीन अछि ना, या पर मु गोटे पैरामीटर नै जो y पैरामीटर. At what parameter of y I will get dark, at what parameter of the y I will get bright. Like that I will get from this formula. Okay, now n is also a variable. So when n will be 0, total y will be 0. Now the most beautiful thing we got now. Now we totally solved and it's going to end. Have patience and listen. This is for n equal to 0. That means at n equal to 0 we are getting bright fringes. Okay, see, bright fringes at n equal to 0. For n equal to 1 we are getting y equal to lambda d by 2d. See guys, and one more thing I forgot. In this source, in source S, I had considered, means not only here but experimental people consider sodium light and having wavelength 589 nanometer. That is the wavelength, means wavelength is already known to us. Wavelength known, this D, distance between obstacle and screen also known. Then D, distance between S1 from the middle and S2 from the middle also known. Everything known. So we can say easily where we'll get the dark fringes, we'll get the bright fringes. So at the position lambda d by 2d, what is the value, whatever be the wavelength d, small d you have considered, calculate, whatever you are getting, that is the first order. Means here somewhere you will get the first order. These two are first order. N0, n equal to 1, n equal to 1. Like this second order, and you will get like that. This is your third order. Now we will do for, okay, now we will calculate the width. I would like to show you how to calculate the width. See guys, here you have got a light region, bright region, and here you have got a bright region. This is at a certain point of y, this is at a certain point of y. Suppose y1, y2. y2 minus y1, nothing but the width. I'll denote is at omega. Let's assume this one. First order, second order. Means lambda d by 2d minus 0. How much? Lambda d by 2d. Same thing, you can do this one also. 2 lambda d by 2d. Like that. 2 lambda d by 2d minus lambda d by 2d. How much you are getting, students? Lambda d by 2d. See, here lambda d by 2d, here lambda d by 2d. माने आमे जो ब्राइट फ्रिंजेस पाउछंती अटे सब भीतर गैप सेम रहउची, विड्थ सेम रहउची. ए विड्थ रे लैम्बडा डी बाय 2d, ए विड्थ लैम्बडा डी बाय 2d, सब ब्राइट फ्रिंजेस एट ए डिस्टेंस हैविंग ए विड्थ लैम्बडा डी बाय 2d. ब्यूटीफुल. Then come for the dark. This is for the dark. For dark we know we have path difference 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. 2n plus lambda 1 by 2. Mu match kali 2 lambda d by d. Same thing as I did here. So here I got one more formula of y, one more expression for y, and I kept y here and I took all the terms this side. Same thing. This is known, this is known, n is unknown. That is giving us the order. Which order the bright or dark is going to be. So for n equal to 0, y equal to lambda d by 4d. That is fast dark. Means towards this region. This region is for fast dark. This region is for second dark. You are getting now? Fast dark, second dark. Fast dark, second dark, second dark. So I got this is for fast dark region, this is second dark region. If I will subtract the second from the fast or fast from the second, then I will get the width of the dark region. Let's have a test. 3 lambda d by 2d minus lambda d by 4d. 3 lambda d by 40. Okay, so how much it will be? 2 lambda d by 4d. 2 cancel, lambda d by 2d. One more beautiful thing, students. See, here you had got lambda d by 2d. That is the width between two light fringes. And here also we got lambda d by 2d. That is also the width between two dark fringes. That means if your fringes will be like this, suppose this is the screen you are getting here, all the fringes will be at the same distance. This is dark, this is light. So this width is equal to this width is equal to this width. All widths are same. Just this is the point 1. All widths are same. And one more thing, just by knowing the wavelength, distance between the screen and the obstacle, and d, that is the distance between the source to the middle of the point and another to the middle of the point, you can get whether it will be dark fringes or it will be bright fringes. And guys, try to remember, my dear friends, always remember these formulas. Lambda equal to n pi, lambda equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2, delta equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2, and this I calculate for width, and this lambda by 2d omega. Always remember these things. You will get lots of numericals based on these things. And guys, this is all regarding your Young's double slit experiment. Before that, I will tell you 2 points. Dita point kohibi, seta I think syllabus re nahi, still you should know. Whoever interested to know, You ask me, I'll give you the notes and I'll try to explain you. First thing is the conservation of energy. ये जो सब हमारा होज ना Young's double slit experiment, wave, everything in the world is associated with a certain energy. See guys, how? Suppose you have a wave. बास मु टिके कहि दउजी जे भी मैथमेटिकली एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिबो आई विल गिव यू द नोट्स आई हैव दिस थिंग्स आई थिंक नॉट एक्सप्लेन्ड हियर बट आम जते प्लस 3 पढुथलो दिस वर टॉट अस इन स्टुअर्ट साइंस कॉलेज पढुथले हमकु बट एबे आउ पढाउनी बोध आई थिंक आउट फ्रॉम द सिलेबस दिस इज द हायर वर्जन ओके सपोज यू हैव ए पार्टिकल one more concept I will tell now when wave is created students wave is created when you have a particle you have a medium that means when particle is propagating through a medium that is creating a wave for a wave you need just a particle and a medium suppose you are throwing a stone to the river a wave is being generated मार्कोनी जो हमको रेडियो बाहर कर देथिले तो सेही भलिया तो हमर ओटे फोटोन आछी व्हाट इज फोटोन that is the source of light quanta of energy coming from the sun that is coming to the atmosphere so this will be associated with a what wave I would question पे तमय मैं छाड़ू जी you should think what should be the answer of this question I think I will answer we are also particle maybe our dimension अधिका still we are considered as particle with high dimension we are surrounded by a air environment atmosphere तो आमे तो atmosphere थ्रू रे जाउछंती as a particle we should be associated with a wave also right जेतबेले गोटे पार्टिकल गोटे सराउंडिंग जाए गोटे मीडियम रे जाए से गोटे एसोसिएटेड होई कि थाए गोटे वेव सहित सेही भलिया आमे जेतबेले गोटे जाउछंती मीडियम रे वाटर जेतबेले जाउछंती जानि पारछंती वेव्स आर गोइंग सराउंडिंग अस जेतबेले आमे एयर रे जाउछंती तो माने किछि वेव देखि पारुछो मु तो देखि पारु आई थिंक यू आर वाचिंग leave it the answer is that we are not getting why this answer you will get in quantum mechanics whatever we are also associated with wave function am चारिपटे भी wave function अछि हमर गोटे wave अछि किंतु से wave is much more amplitude माने से wave रो amplitude बहुत अधिका मु कैलकुलेट करथिली and I will give you example I calculate just for the ball having taking the weight 200 gram I calculated and I got the amplitude something like that 10 to the power 34 times higher. Can you imagine 10 to the power 34 means how much? That's why we are not getting our own wavelength. Right? Still we are associated with the wave. Okay, whoever interested this one also I'll give. Whatever I'm mentioning, if you are very much interested to know this concept, just let me know, inform me. I will provide these are extra things all won't be interested. So this is a wave. Suppose your photon is here first. That will acquire some energy. And that photon will go here. It will lose energy. How will I explain? When it is here, it is having certain energy. Certain energy. Here certain energy. Here another energy. Like that your energy is changing. That is the conservation of energy. Little more mathematical derivation is there. Whoever interested tell me. I'll say. Then one more thing, we are getting fringes. Experimentally, I think interferometer you have, you guys might have done experiment in interferometer. जदि भी तुम लैब रे interferometer नाही सुजित भाई को को सेटा सेटअप करिया पई this is very much important experiment for plus 3 student. As a plus 3 student, you should know just a interferometer experimental. सेठी कोन हमर हुए से interferometer थ्रू रे तुम देख पारो interference केमती होउची light of fringes. Suppose this is my interferometer. I am watching like that. जितोले तुम एमती देखुथबो ना you will get this shape light. Next this shape light. This shape light means light एमती को थिबो माने light like that. Here you are getting a shape that is your hyperbolic shape. Hyperbolic केमती हला This is also I think you're out of syllabus. So if you're interested, just let me know. I will provide the note. You will go through the note and you ask me for clearing your doubt, whatever be. You will get a formula like that. This is nothing but your hyperbolic formula. This is also your plus 2 math. Keep it in your mind. I know you can't remember now. Keep it. This is equation of hyperbola. Hyperbola means this one, this one. So whatever fringes you are getting in your experiment, that is your Young's double slit experiment, you are getting such type of things, means hyperbolic structure. You can experimentally observe this one by the interferometer. That is the experiment setup. I think I will help you to set up. Talk with Sudit bhai. Okay, thank you so much. This is all regarding your Young's double slit experiment. Guys, do some problems on that. If you can't solve, then ask me. I will help you. I'll try my level best to help you at any moment in education, in academic, everything. In the next class, I will teach you the biprism experiment. This is also I think a wave front splitting. Interference, just remember always one thing, interference is of two types, amplitude splitting or wave front splitting. This one we did in what? Wave front splitting. Remember all these points. Thank you so much.